Get ready to escape in this charming rustic home sitting on 15 plus beautiful acres. This cozy 3-bed home has a special primary suite on the first floor with its own bathroom. There is plenty of storage space in the large barn, cellar, and 2 workshops. Whether you are looking for a peaceful retreat or a place to work on projects, this home has everything you need. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.